Let's learn a special way to stretch and calm ourselves today. This is called yoga.
Yoga!
Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your body, move about. Breathe in, breathe out.
It feels so good to stretch it out.
When you stretch, pretend to be like a cat. Follow me, arch your back to the sky. Hold that shape, stretch up high.
Breathe in, breathe out. It feels so good to stretch it out.
When you stretch, pretend to be like a tree. Follow me, stretch your arms to the sky. Hold that shape, stretch up high.
Breathe in, breathe out. It feels so good to stretch it out.
As you stretch, pretend to be like a dog. Follow me, lift your doggy nose to the sky. Hold that shape, stretch up high. When it's hard to keep our cool, stretching is a useful tool. As you stretch, pretend to be like a giraffe. Follow me, lift your shoulders to the sky. Hold that shape, stretch up high.
Stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your body, move about. Breathe in, breathe out. It feels so good to stretch it out.
It's called yoga.
Yoga.
This is a special heart to show they care. A special heart for me to wear.
It's a special day today. Happy, happy Mommy's Day. It's a day made just for you. 'Cause Mommy, we love you.
Oh no, my special heart is lost.
A special heart can show you care. A special heart for Mom to wear. Look at this, look at this. We'll make a heart to show we care. Look at this, look at this. Made with love, can't wait to share. Yay!
It's a special day today. Happy, happy Mommy's Day. It's a day made just for you. 'Cause Mommy, we love you.
Roll the dough, roll the dough. We'll make a heart to show we care. Roll the dough, made with love, can't wait to share. Shape the heart, we'll make a heart to show we care. Shape the heart,
Made with love, can't wait to just for you. 'Cause mommy,